Hi, my name is Caroline. I'm from the Patchogue-Medford Library, and I'm going to be showing you today how to make borax crystal stars. So this craft is actually really easy. All you need is 2 cups of boiling water or hot water, half a cup of borax, and then you also need pipe cleaners, like some of these guys. And you can also you also need ribbon. You could also use any type of like string or anything really. It's just to hold up the ornament. In addition to this, you're gonna need a pretty decently sized mug. Make sure it's a mug just because you are going to be holding hot water in it. So if you just use a normal glass, it may break. In addition to everything else, you're gonna want something that you can hold the ornament on when it crystallizes. So I would suggest either like a popsicle stick or a chopstick or even a straw would work. For this project, I made stars just because I like how it looks, but feel free to do any type of pattern or shape. And to do the star, I actually just took a regular pipe cleaner like this and made 10 zigzags, and then you could just fold the zigzags so that creates a star, like that. See, so that makes a star. Or I've also seen in other videos that they take a cookie cutter and then they fold the pipe cleaner around that too. And then you're just gonna tie the string around the pipe cleaner so that you can hold it up. So I have my 2 cups of hot water here. Add it in. So now I'm just gonna be adding my half a cup of borax. And then you're just gonna mix it really well until everything's dissolved. So once you have it tied, you're just gonna stick your straw through it and then make sure that's fully submerged into the solution that you just made. Like that. And then you just leave it to rest overnight, and then you have a crystal ornament. So once you leave it overnight, this is what it's gonna look like.